In this video, we will show you how to replace your Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor, MAP sensor for short, on this Kia Forte Koup. This will be located along the front of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Right along the front of the engine here is where you're going to find the MAP sensor. It's pretty much out in the open. What you may find though for the removal process, to remove the mounting bolt that holds it in place, you're going to have a clamp that holds the air inlet to the throttle body is going to be in the way right here. If that's the case for you, go ahead and loosen the clamp and spin it out of the way. We'll be using a 10 millimeter. If that's the case for you, go ahead and loosen the clamp and we'll pull this air inlet out of the way. Let's start removing that MAP sensor, starting with the electrical connector here. Keep in mind, as we're removing things, we don't want anything to fall into that throttle body assembly. To disconnect the electrical connector, you're going to find that you have a locking tab right in this area. Squeeze it in and slide this out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion and set it aside. Now we can start removing that sensor. You can see we have a 10 millimeter headed bolt right down here. Take hold of the sensor, give it a little tug, and pull it towards the driver's side of the engine. There it is, friend. With that MAP sensor out of the way, the next thing you need to do is clean and inspect the mounting port leading into your air intake. Make sure no miscellaneous debris falls inside. Now it's time to install the brand new MAP sensor. When installing this, we want to make sure we slide it in carefully so we don't cause any damage to the O-ring seal and align our mounting bolt hole. With that lined up, we can start in the mounting bolt. We'll bottom this out, and then I'm going to torque it to 89 inch-pounds. Double check to make sure that's properly secured. Reattach your electrical connector. For this, we're going to take hold of it, press it in, listen for a click, make sure that's secured as well. Got a little click from that. Once again, just double checking to make sure it's properly secure. We don't want it to fall off while we're driving down the road. Double check to make sure nothing has fallen inside of the throttle body assembly, and we'll continue on with reattaching the air inlet tube to it. Once you have that in place all the way up against the throttle body, go ahead and tighten that 10 millimeter headed mounting clamp. Double check to make sure that air inlet is completely secure. You don't want any dirty or unmetered air making its way into the engine. We'll just double check that to make sure it's properly secured. We do not want any dirty air making its way into the engine. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor. At this point, go ahead and hop in the passenger compartment. Start up the vehicle, let it run for a while, make sure you have no check engine light, no running condition, close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.